Alright, so what you're going to do when installing your cords and your ball kit on your Pro Traveler is you should have a baseball with the tethers on the bottom. That's going to be the bottom, and your cord connectors should already be attached. So what you're going to do is take this bungee cord, you should have 3 of these inside the box. You're going to go through the top part of the cord connector, just snap that on, and once that's in, you're going to want to tie a small knot at the top. So now you have a knot there. You can tighten the connector. You'll take the other end of the bungee cable. You're going to want to put that through the top boom pulley, which is going to be above the unit. You're going to go through the back, through the boom support fitting. And then connect it to the back. In the back you should have your height adjustment rope with 2 cord connectors. The bottom one's going to be the portion where the O-ring is. So you're going to take the top connector, connect it to your original bungee cord, pull that through, and then tie another knot. And you're good to go on the top bungee. Get your other bungee and do the same thing for the bottom. So grab your bottom cord connector, run it through, tie another knot, except this time take your bungee cord and then find your plug. It's your home plate plug. You're going to want to secure that in the plate, which my plate has a little bit of water in it right now, but not much. And then your bungee cord is going to go through here. Through the bottom pulley on the frame. And then you're going to connect to that bottom cord connector on the height adjustment rope. Tie another knot. Now the tethers. So your top and bottom bungees are good to go.